Assalamu alaikum, welcome to UK Textions. In our previous tutorial, we discussed about shared preferences, and in today's tutorial, we will learn how to use or write data or read data in internal storage. So I created an XMLs over here for storage and data. So let me show you one by one. So this is the UI of internal storage to write data or read data from internal storage. This is the file to read or write data from external storage. This is the UI we have already worked on, which is shared preference to write the data in shared preference. And this is the last topic of data storage, will be insert, update and delete data from database or add new records, right? So we created here almost 4 activities, and the main activity will only shows the button to move forward to the specific storage, right? Shared preference, internal, external and database. So today we will learn about internal storage. So let me add here the edit text. Let's say we are writing here review.get id equals to r.id.added write btn write data and read data, right? So first we will write the data and we will say write to file, right? So let's create it here. Like this, right? So we created the UI here, and then we add these variables, then initialize these variable, then add the click listener over here and just created the methods. So let's start how to create a file, right? So let's suppose we are creating a new file. The file name will be in a string. So let's say file name equals to info, right? .txt. So here is the extension of the file, right? And then we have to, if we want to add any folder or directory, we can add here, right? So I'm just creating a file over here, so don't want to create any directory or subdirectory, right? So what we have to use file output stream to write the data easily into the file, right? Now we will open the file here. We will just say this is the file name and we will give here the mod, right? What are the mods? Let's see. So here are the different mod world writable, mod append, mod private, mod world readable, right? So these are the mods to tell the output stream that who will can access these files to make it writable, right? Because we are creating here the file for the first time. So if we want to say mod world writable, so other applications can write the data using this specific file. Mod private, just this application can write the data, and mod world readable means anyone can read this file, and mod append means to append the data to this specific file, right? So we will create mod private. Okay, so it will say try catch, surround with try catch. Try catch is to whenever any error occur, it will run the application or the current code, line of code, or whatever we have coded under this try, and if it will get an exception or an error, it will throw in this catch block. It will not terminate our application or not crash the application frequently, so it will catch the exception, right? So this is a good approach to use try catch. First dot write ed text dot get text dot to string dot get bytes, right? To write the bytes in this application, right? Just add the catch over here, that if this file is not found, so what it will return, the file is not found, or whatever the filed exception, it will thrown here, right? So now what we have to do, fos dot, after writing the file, we have to close the output stream, right? And after writing this file, we just say that edt text will be clear, right? Let's set text equals to this, right? And then when we want to read the file, so we use here the file input stream to read the input stream of the file. And now we open that file, and the file is this. So let me move to the top so I can reuse this file. Let's remove it from here, and then put here file name question mark. It will say to read the file, add the exceptions, right? And then we will do the same structure. We will create here the buffer file input stream. Now we will create here the input string buffer, so it will read line by line. That's it. Now what we have to do, we will use while loop over here. If I is, let's initialize I first, int I equals to 0, whenever it will not equal to -1, just read this file. So what we have right over here, read this condition, read the file until the file lines return -1, right? So it says create the catch if the file not found. So what we will do, add the clause, right? Just add the bracket here so that the condition will say if I is equal to this and the file is not empty, then write the data to the string buffer, right? Dot append the data. So what is the data? So let's append the I and then cast these one by one character. So here we just read the file and here we append the character in the string buffer word by word or character by character, right? So that's it. Now we will close the stream, and after closing the stream, now what we will do here, we will just read this buffer, desired buffer. So let's say it's if we don't have anything in this buffer, so it will return nothing, else it will set the text. So let's write something. Hi friends, welcome to UK Textions. Stay connected. Let's write it, then read it, and we get the text over here. Write it and then read it. What we get the text. So it's created the file under the internal storage folder. So let's see how to find this inside the folder. So we will click over here, device file explorer. Then what we will do, we will see this particular directories, and in data we will move to this section data, and under this we have to find this package name. So com.demo.storage in Android, then we will find over here, this is the com.android. Let's find the demo. So we found com.demo. So now we just want to find the project name, and this is here com.demo.storage in Android. So now just click over here and it will say file. So this is the file we have saved over here, uktextions to dot text file, right? So let's copy or open it. So it say hi friends, welcome to uktextions. So if I want to say that, just see this, what it will return if because we are not supposed to write it, we can only write it by this way, right? So it's say that it's connected, right? Stay connected in small letters, right? So hope you will all enjoyed this tutorial. We will come back with other tutorials soon, inshallah. So if you like this tutorial, do comment, share it with your friends. Also like our Facebook page, and if you want to suggest some new tutorials or specific topic, you can surely describe your topic under the comment section of any tutorial, or you can also message us on our Facebook page uktextions tutorial. So we will catch you later, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.